Hi students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss very quickly about how to memorize the name of cranial nerves. As we know, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and this is about higher vertebrates. For example, reptiles, birds and mammals. So human beings are categorized under mammals. So these are 12 pair of cranial nerves from first onward up to 12th, and they are represented just by the Roman numerals. Out of these 12 pairs, the first two pairs originated from cerebrum, that is the largest part of our brain, and the last 10 pairs originated from brain stem. What is brain stem? And for rest of the details, you can check the video, the link given just below in description. So here, the first is olfactory nerve, second is optic nerve, third is oculomotor nerve, fourth is trochlear, fifth is trigeminal, sixth is abducens, seventh is facial nerve, eighth is auditory vestibular or vestibulocochlear nerve, ninth is glossopharyngeal, 10th is vagus nerve, 11th is accessory or spinal accessory nerve, and 12th is hypoglossal nerve. And to memorize all these, the mnemonic is given here. On occasion, our trusty truck acts funny, very good vehicle anyhow. So here from each word, the first letter is just representing the name of each cranial nerve. Here, the first O for olfactory, second occasion is O for optic nerve, third hour is O for oculomotor, trusty, trochlear, truck, trigeminal, X, abducens, funny, facial, auditory, that is vestibular or vestibulocochlear by very, glossopharyngeal by good, vagus by V, vehicle, any is for accessory, and how for hypoglossal. So with the help of this mnemonic, you can memorize easily about all the 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Thanks for watching.